Hi, I'm James, part of the technical team here at Tagra Lighting, and today I'm here to talk to you about our range of LED Flex. So what is LED Flex? LED Flex offers an all-in-one durable solution both indoors and outdoors. Its spot-free appearance gives you a continuous high-quality accent lighting in your desired space. Instead of traditionally cutting, soldering and mitering tapes and channels to navigate corners, LED Flex simply allows you to bend around these, improving your install. Our ranges of LED Flex include the Essential Flex range. This is available in both circular 360 or horizontal bend. Its PVC construction means it's perfect for use in display lighting indoors or short-term outdoor installations such as at events. The horizontal bend is available in two types. The standard, which is 15 by 26 mm, available in a wide range of colours. It features a domed top surface. The Mini, 9 by 15 mm. This also features a miniature domed surface and available in a wide range of colours. The Circular, with its 18 mm diameter, available in a wide range of colours, it offers near 360 degree light output. All the products in the Essential range operate at 24 volt DC, and there's a wide range of accessory packs, mid-joint connectors, as well as mounting options available. The Professional Flex range. Manufactured out of a high-quality silicone, this is perfect for use both indoors and outdoors, as well as in specialist installations. It is available in both kit form, as well as custom requested lengths. First up, the 12 by 17 mm. This is perfect for installations where you require a top surface emitting, horizontal bending light source. Inside the kit, you will receive one 10 metre of LED Flex terminated at both ends, along with two solderless tails and a small kit featuring silicone glue and blanking caps for the opposite end. The 12 by 17 operates at 24 volts DC and is available in a wide range of colours. There is also a great selection of mounting channels and accessories available. Next up is the 13 by 12 mm Flex. This is perfect for where you require a vertical bending light source. Inside the kit, yet again, you receive a 10 metre reel of neon terminated at both ends, two solder-free connectors with power-in tails, as well as a kit containing silicone glue and blanking caps for the opposite ends. The 13 by 12 operates at 24 volts DC also, as well as being available in a wide range of colours. There is also a great selection of mounting accessories. Next, the 4 by 10 Micro Flex. Its uniquely small size makes it perfect for installations where great flexibility is required. Inside the kit you receive one 5 metre reel of flex, terminated at one end, a pack of mounting clips, a pre-tinned cable perfect for soldering on, as well as a silicone glue kit containing the glue, blanking caps and power in end caps. Also included in our Professional range, we have two 360 degree output offerings, the 18 mm and the 25 mm diameter. These are both available in a wide range of colours and finishes, so get in touch with us today for your bespoke quotation. Next up is our Advanced Flex range. This range of products is perfect for use in highly demanding environments, such as building facades, ships and yachts, as well as many more architectural settings both indoors and outdoors. Its robust construction and factory sealed ends means that it's rated up to IP68. This product is fully tested against salt, chlorine and solvents, making it perfect for installations both indoors and outdoors, with a guarantee of 5 years covering both. It's available in both whites, single colours, RGB and pixel digital addressable options, and both vertical bending and horizontal bending solutions. This is a highly bespoke product, available in a wide range of sizes and dimensions. Feel free to get in touch with us now to discuss your project's needs further. So why choose our LED Flex? Well, it provides an all-in-one, spotless and seamless versatile solution, perfect for use both indoors and outdoors, with a wide range of offerings perfect for almost any use scenario.